Nĩ thutha wa guthikiriria miena yeri iria ikoretwo ikigucania ni undu wa maundu ngurani maria kiama kia arutani gikoretwo gigithinikiriria mahingio ni kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani TSC. Kamiti ya TSC kuhitukira wakiri Calvin Anyur ikiuga gutiri ona hindi imwe ikoretwo iri kihinga kia miario gatagati kao na kiama kia arutani na gwitetera na kuga arutani nio matarenda kumathikiriria.
My Lord, it is our submission that the talks have not failed. The talks were adjourned. The negotiations, the bipartite negotiations between KNUT and TSC were jointly adjourned.
Kiama kia arutani kuhitukira wakiri Paul Moite nikimenereirie kamiti ino ya TSC na kuga iri no hinga na nikio tarenda magie na miario nayo.
In the contract performance appraisal, can we develop those tools together? KNUT and TSC. Can we agree on the implementation? Because that is what the CBA and the Code of Regulations for Teachers demand. You can't go and do things unilaterally outside the CBA and outside the Code of Regulations. And it is the same issue, teacher professional development. If you go and get a master's, you get a PhD, we are saying that that should be taken into account.
Nao thutha wa guthikiriria miena yeri Janji Byram Onganya ni athire miena yeri kunanira njung'wa gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano ria ikoretwo ho gatagati kao na gwatha kiama kia arutani gitigetie mugomo muthenya wa rucio.
That pending the hearing and determination of the petition or further orders by the court, there shall be stay of the taking effect of the strike and the strike notice issued by the respondent 19th December 2018 as reinforced by the circular dated 30th December 2018 or any strike notice on the four issues or disputes as may subsequently issue with the effect that the respondent by itself, its officials, members, agents or any other person acting in that behalf is hereby restrained from implementing such strike notice or strike and the strike as scheduled effective 2nd January 2019 or any date thereafter, as the case may be in that regard, is stayed.
Hau kabere Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohammed neugire thukuru ciothe ikahingurwo muthenya wa rucio akiuga matire na kigiririria o giothe gia thukuru kwaga kuhingurwo.
Going forward on the opening of schools, on the CBC, on preparations for the exams this year, as well as on the threats that we've had of strikes.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Janji Onganya ni athire kamiti ya arutani kwaga gucenjia arutani aria ni atongoria kiama kia arutani kuma icigo iria marugamireire undu uria urari umwe wa mateta ma kiama kia arutani gikiuga TSC irenda kwagagio tongoria wa kiama kiu.
The applicant will determine appeal or application for review of transfer of any of the 3,094 teachers as currently transferred not later than 15th February 2019. And no teacher who so appeals or seeks a review will be victimized, harassed, or intimidated in any manner.
Ciro cio kagwetwo tariki 17 mweri uyu turi wa Mugaa. Gwa kahinda-inĩ gaka no tuge ni hotani munene kuri aciari kuona mugomo uria urararĩrĩirio kurokio muthenya wa rucio ni urikitie guteanirio na igoti guku igoti rigetha kamiti ya kwandika arutani ya TSC na kamiti ya mwanya ĩgiĩ ũruti wa wĩra o ũndũ ũmwe na kiama kia arutani KNUT cikorwo igicoka metha-inĩ na niguo gwetha kihonia gĩa gũteithũrana ndũgamano ĩno. Mũigai wa Gathũngo, Kameme TV, mũtambũrũko wa mohoro kuma igoti-inĩ rĩa Milimani gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi.